Hi, in this video we are going to understand the printer parts of HP OfficeJet Pro 8020 series printer. So let's see. So this section contains the following topics as you can see here. Top and front view of the printer, printing supplies area and back view of the printer. So let's see. Top and front view of the printer. So each part of the printer is indicated through numbers for better understanding. Like number 1 here represents document feeder and 2 feeder paper with guide. For more detail you can refer the next screen. As you can see here, all the parts are described in form of table so that you can understand in better way. Now we are going to see printing supplies area. So each part of the printer here indicated through numbers for better understanding. So like 1 represents cartridge access door as you can see in this table, and 2 it is front door, 3 it is print head, and 4 it is cartridges. For important note you can read the on-screen instructions and details for better understanding. And let's see back view of the printer. So here in back view you can see it is Ethernet port, and 2 it is rear USB port, and 3 it is fax port, and 4 it is also a fax port, and 4 it is power cord. Now we are going to understand how to use printer control panel. So this section contains the following topics as you can see here. Lift the control panel, overview of buttons and lights, function buttons and dashboard icons, and last one, change printer settings. So lift the control panel. You can move the control panel for easier use. As you can see here in this image, arrow is indicating the same. It is indicating the control panel. Push the upper part of the control panel to lift it. Now we are going to understand overview of buttons and lights. As you can see here in this image, the control panel buttons and lights are indicated through numbers. So number 1, it is indicating here that wireless light. Here you can see, and 2 it is back button, and 3 it is home button, and 4 it is help button, where you can see help related queries. For more details about these terms you can see this table. Now let's see function buttons. Function button and purpose is described in this table. Here a copy is used for copy documents, ID card or photos. Scan is used for scan document. Fax is used for set a fax, send fax or reprint received fax. And apps used for access to the apps for your printer. Now we are going to understand dashboard icons, which is available on the printer control panel. Lets you access the icons on the display, and you can check the status of the printer or monitor and manage current and scheduled print tasks. So to open dashboard, touch or swipe down the tab and on this icon at the top of the screen on the control panel. So let's see in detail about the dashboard icons. So as you can see, each icon is represented and there are some purpose of that. So you can see in this table, like this is setup icon, and this is wireless icon, and this is Ethernet icon, and this one it is HP ePrint icon, and this is a Wi-Fi direct icon, and this one it is ink icon, and this is fax status icon, and last one it is HP Eco Solutions. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you want any help related to your printer, just click on the support link which is available in this video description.